Hi Cancer, welcome to my channel. So in today's video, I'll be looking at your energies starting from 11th till 17th of October. This is going to be a general reading. It may or may not resonate with all of you. So take what resonates and leave the rest. If this is not your story, do not try to make it yours, okay? I'll be looking at your past, present and future energies in this reading. So let's get started with your reading now. If you want to book a personal reading with me, you can go to my Instagram page by the name The Magical Aura. The link is given in the description box below. So you can DM me over there if you want. Okay. Let's see what is there for my Cancers. Cancer, 11th till 17th of October. Sun, Moon, Rising and Venus. Cancer, 11th till 17th October. So the overall energy is the Ace of Pentacles for you. Wow. This is like a new beginning to me. Something new is coming your way, Cancer. It could be some kind of a new job, new career direction, new something. Okay, so yeah, be prepared. In the past we have Death, Page of Swords and the Chariot. Okay. So there was transformation, there was new beginning before as well. It could be not a new beginning but an ending. So that is why, this after this ending, the Death energy, the Ace of Pentacles is here, because these things might have ended and now it's time for new beginning to run forward. You could be dealing with Libra, Cancer or Capricorn. Let's see, what else do we have? In the present, we have Ten of Swords, Ace of Swords and the Emperor. So maximum of your cards are in upright. Only one card is in reverse here, which is really good. And yeah, so there is a lot of clarification. It could be because you are able to clarify, or because when we are surrounded by a lot of negativity and we are surrounded by people who put thoughts in our mind, we start feeling the way they are feeling. But now when you might have removed something from your life, you start working, you start to see, you start to feel the way you want to see, the way you want to feel. Okay, you are going away, things are ending. Whatever the situation is, you are ending because of the new beginnings which are coming your way. So just stay tuned. In the coming future, we have Seven of Cups, the Empress in reverse and Two of Swords. Okay, so in the coming week, you might feel some kind of a confusion. It could be because of some choice which can come towards you. It could be a choice between two jobs, between two people, between something. Okay, but the suggestion, I'm going to give it later, but one thing which has come with the Two of Swords is do not look for the people's opinion, what people are telling you about it. Just go for what you want to do with that situation. We are now going to clarify your reading. So tell me more about the Ace of Pentacles, please. Ace of Cups in reverse, Judgment and Ace of Wands. A lot of aces has come up for you. This means that the journey is starting, some kind of a new journey. It could be a passionate journey, it could be related with job, love, anything, but it is coming up. You might be having a lot of plans with some situations, like you might be wanting to start something new. And you are planning, it's in your head, because the Ace of Swords also. So you have Ace of Cups, Ace of Swords, Ace of Wands and Ace of, all the aces are there in your reading and in the middle of the reading also. So with this new beginning, you have to take a lot of pros and cons as well. Do not just go for the cons, because some of the things, so I do not see emotional. things. Okay, for love situations it might take a little time for you, Cancer, but it is more about career. It is more about some planning. I see fire energies, I see passionate energies, something of your passion, something you love. That might be, you might be getting that thing. You might be you might love to swim, so some swimming, you might be going to a place where you could swim. So whatever you are manifesting, like something from within, you want to meet someone new, like a friend only. Okay, so you might be you just are thinking, oh, I wish that friend was with me, and whatever, all of a sudden you just see that person in front of you. So some manifestations are coming true for you. In regards with love, I do not see the emotional touch a lot, but yes, I see practical things around you more than emotional things. Okay, which is good. Tell me more about the Death. We have 10 of Swords, we have the World, we have the Lovers in reverse. This was something big. Whatever the ending was, whatever, it has transformed you fully, Cancer. It was like a new beginning to you, because the things have ended. The World energy, this chapter has ended. Okay, the Lovers in reverse, it could be not the love, it could be a lust situation more. It could be a thing where it could be a broken marriage, it could be a broken relationship in love, it could be a partnership which got broke, it could be some finance related stuff also, but the things have ended. With the 10 of Swords, it involved a lot of betrayal, a lot of bad mouthing, but it has ended for you, so you do not have to think a lot about that. Tell me more about the Chariot. So we have Two of Wands, the Star in reverse, and Knight of Wands. I see there was a time in the past only where you were feeling to run away from that situation, and you actually ran away, but you were not able to decide where to go. You were literally at a crossroad situation where you wanted to dump the person, you wanted to end the situation, but you couldn't end, so it ended itself. That was the best part for you. You felt that something is missing. Your hopes were lost with the situation because of the negativity. You felt bad about it, that why the things have ended, but if we talk about the long run, it happened for good. Okay, tell me more about the Ace of Swords. Present. Okay, so what I am getting over here is Page of Cups, 3 of Pentacles in reverse, 8 of Cups, and 10 of Cups. So in regards with something new, for some of you it could be a visa situation which could be like pending, and you might be getting along with in this week. It could be something related with some paperwork which you wanted to work on, and they are going done. You are working on that. For legal issues also, you are working on something, and yeah, so it could be regarding love situation as well, family things. You could be, because you are wanting to make it work, wanting to make that happen, but to end that. Okay, so you are working on something to end something. So are you getting what I mean? So this could be a divorce issue which you might be going through, and you might be working on that in this week. So yeah, there is a strong working on, strong clarity which is coming up your way, Cancers. Tell me more about the Emperor now. Two of Cups in reverse, 7 of Cups, and the Knight of Swords. See, things are going really fast for you. The universe has something set up for you. you might be getting, the clarity is there, but you will put in a situation where you have to choose in front of a lot of things. You have to choose one, but the thing which you will choose will be the perfect for you. Okay, just be fast, do not think a lot about it, and things will be really fine for you. Okay, do not go in deep detail. Whatever is coming your way, just grasp it. Okay, tell me more about the Empress in reverse in the future energies, because confusion is seen. See, something is coming up this week for you, Cancer. Something is definitely coming up. You might feel that your growth is getting hampered. Your growth in your work, your growth in your career. It could be like a little finances this week for those who might be doing business, not for the job ones. For the job ones, you might be getting like, you are working for some project. It could be like, it could be delayed, or it could be not coming to you. You might feel the growth, that it is getting hampered. But do not go in the vibes of the growth. Okay, just go, because at present something is happening, so just go with that. And in the coming week, do not think a lot. Take some rest, take a little pause. If you want to go out, like for traveling and something, if you have some plans, just go and travel, because some of you are traveling. Do not sit there at home, because it might bring a lot of depression. Travel, okay, because by traveling you will feel regenerated. All right, so very beautiful reading for you, Cancers. I hope that helps. So we will meet you in the next video. Till then, bye.